Flip it around. Alright. Hey everybody, we are finishing up here with Mr. Trey Odum. He's going to do one more song for us. So, introduce yourself, Trey.
Trey Odum, freshly here back in Georgia from Arizona. I'm on Spotify, iTunes, and I think Amazon Music, and at treyodum.com. Thanks for having me today, man. I'm going to play you guys a song. My song that's on Spotify right now is called King of Me. And I'll play it for you right now. I got a steady job and a Harley and my bird dog blue. I live in a trailer with my woman and her sister too. We had leftover meatloaf tonight for the third time this week. But I feel like a king, right here I'm the king of me. I'm the king of me. I live in paradise and there's no place I'd rather be. The whole damn world can come crashing down, long as it don't happen on my side of town. Nowhere I will be found and where I'm king of me. To the IRS, but baby, making ends meet, well, that's what I do best. I'll just pick up a couple extra shifts and get that overtime pay. Might even bring home a bottle of wine at the end of the day. 'Cause I'm the king of me. I live in paradise and there's no place I'd rather be. The whole damn world can come crashing down, long as it don't happen on my side of town. Nowhere I will be found and where I'm king of me. Sit on my tailgate, but some asshole stole it last week. Guess he needed it a whole lot more than me. Yeah, sometimes it ain't what you got, it's what you give. And I'm fortunate as hell for this life I live. I'm the king of me. I live in paradise and there's no place I'd rather be. The whole damn world can come crashing down, long as it don't happen on my side of town. Nowhere I will be found and where I'm king of me. Still king of me.
Tell them where they can find you at, Trey.
TreyOdum.com, Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Music. Thank you guys for tuning in today.
Thank you guys. His episode will be up actually tomorrow, so you guys take and listen for it. See you.